What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in again. Working on an EZGO, and we're going to jump right into what it is. It's going to be a 1988 EZGO 2-cycle 2PG engine, but we ain't got nothing to do with that today. Today we are working on our motor mount, or our engine carrier mounts, the rubber supports. As you can see, I got a pretty busted up one here, and to find the parts for these things is like trying to find a live dinosaur. So good luck on finding parts. There might be a few places out there you might be able to find something on, eBay or something like that, but these old dinosaurs like this right here are hard to come by when it comes to parts. But thankfully I had a good used 2-cycle in my salvage yard out back that still had pretty decent motor mounts. They're not tore up or breaking apart or nothing like that. So we're gonna get these things in here. And to get them out, it's very, very easy. So you have that washer, that bolt goes through it, goes down through here, goes right down through the frame, and of course your mount is underneath this right here. And also the top of the mount here, 1, 2, 3, 4 holes that have rivets in them, rivets like so. So you'll need to get 8 of those total if you're doing both sides of this golf cart. As you can see, I've got the old one already out. We're going to go ahead and throw this good one back in there. So you go under the mount. That way the rivets can pull through and hold. So you see where I just let the jack back down a little bit, because I did put a jack underneath. Put a jack underneath the actual engine carriage here, so that I got a little support while trying to get this done. Alright guys, there you go. Should be pretty sturdy there. Shouldn't move a whole lot, especially if you have one like I did where you could about lift it all the way up. Yeah, that's much better. Alright, so now we'll get the wheel put back on this side and move around and do the other side. This one wasn't super bad, but you can see where it's starting to dry rot. It's separated real bad. Lots of play in that, so could cause a lot of vibration, which is what we got going on here. Is a big amount of vibration. There you go guys, both sides, and now we're going to take it for a spin, see how it does, see if at least most of the vibration got out of this, because like I said, these are very, very hard to come by in these model golf carts anymore. Super hard to find. So yeah, we'll get this thing put back together, and hopefully this will help some of you out there that might be dealing with a ton of vibration in your golf cart. It is definitely several things that it could possibly be, but this is typically what causes the very bad, I guess I'll say, kind of vibration. So alright guys, so when we replaced those mounts, rubbers in the engine carrier, 100% took away the low RPM vibrations. I mean, it was really, really, really bad. So thankfully these rubbers still are good and are operating like they're supposed to when the load gets put into the golf cart. So just keep that in mind. If it's got a really nasty vibration, it is probably a lot to do with those carrier mount bushings right there, or rubbers, engine mounts, whatever. But yeah, hopefully this video helps some of you guys out there. Got any questions, please feel free to give us a comment, give us a call. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, guys. Also, the QR code that pops up on the videos will take you straight to our website for any of your parts and accessory needs, guys. So don't forget that. Hit that QR code, guys. God bless you all. Thanks for watching.